Hey guys, this is Risheek Payanam from Art Teachers. So we are going to continue blood relations. So we are going to see type 3 in this video. The third type, here the relations are represented using symbols, uh, and we have to solve the questions based on that given symbols. So let's start with some examples. By the end of the session you will get an idea. So, and by the way, this is the last type in blood relation. We will see a different topic in the next video. So let's start with the first question. A A dollar means A dollar B means A is father of B. A star B means A is mother of B. A at the rate of B means A is wife of B. Then which of the following means M is the grandmother of N? So here some relations are given. I mean some symbols are given which denotes a relation between the first and the second letter. That means A A A A dollar B means A is the father of B. So here A is the father of B. That means first person is the father and the second person is the son or daughter. Sorry. Similarly, A star B means A is mother of B. Here also A is mother. I mean first person is the mother. And A at the rate of B, A is the wife of B. That means A is wife. Means here also first person is wife. Why I am saying is sometimes they will twist the relation. Here A at the rate of B means A is the wife of B. But sometimes they will give same A at the rate of B. B is the wife of A. The relation stands to the second person. So we need to see that carefully whether the relation is given to the first person or second person. Okay, the represented relation meets the first person or the second person. So let's get into the question. This type of question, here M is the gram, and by seeing the options we get to know that we need to solve all the given options and see which one satisfies the given condition, that is M is the grandmother of N. So let's start with the first option. So we have to get M as grandmother of N. So let's start with the first question. M star, first option, sorry, M star T. What is the relation of star? Star means first person is mother of B. That means M is mother of B. It's mother, right? You need to represent with a negative sign or a minus. Okay. And sorry, it's not B, it's T. T and T dollar N. Dollar means father of B. Sorry, father of N. Dollar means father. So T is father of N. That means T is male. And I think we got our answer. Let's finish this option. Net rate of R. Rate means wife of B. So N is wife of R. So N is wife. So N is a female. T is male. So N is a daughter of T and T's mother is M. So here M is grandmother of M, right? So this is a is the answer. N is granddaughter of M, and M is grandmother of N. Yes. So we are we are lucky here. So we got the answer in the first option itself. But in these type of questions, we need to solve all the three options to get the correct answer. Mm, if we get answer in somewhere in first, second, third, we can skip other options, right? If we are if the answer is in D, we have got no other choice. We have to solve all the four options. So it's better to start with the first option itself. Uh, Even sometimes the fourth option would also be the answer. Depends. It's your wish. You can start from the down or you can start from the top. It's your wish. Okay. Let's see the second question. It's very simple. Just here the symbols are given. Uh, this might sometimes confuse the students. By we, we need to be careful while analyzing the question. That way we can easily find out the answer. Okay, let's go with the next question. Yeah, these all will be the same. Symbols will be given and the relations are attached to that symbols, and we need to find out the relation. So P plus Q means some relations are given. S means P is father of Q. Here also P is father of Q. P into Q means P is brother of Q. P minus Q means P is mother of Q. Then which of the following is definitely true about, okay, C minus A plus B. C minus A plus B. So first we need to start with the minus. C minus Q means P is the mother of Q. C minus A means C is mother of A. So C is mother of A. So C is mother minus minus means uh, just to for our understanding we are using minus for female and plus for male. If you're not comfortable with that, you can use any other options. Here we are not judging people on gender. It's just we are using those symbols for our understanding, because we can use M and F, but we can get confused here because A, B, C again alphabets are used here. So it's better to use plus or minus. If you have a better idea, you can use that. Okay, and A plus B. Plus means, uh, sorry, first one. E is father of Q. That means A is father of B. That means A is male, and we don't know the gender of B. So what's the question? So then which of the following is definitely true? So we need to go through the options and find out which one is true. So B is the son of A. B is son of A. So we don't know the gender of B. B might be son or daughter of A. So this is not definitely true. This might be true, but not definitely true. So and the second option, A is son of C. A is son of C. Yeah, A is son of C. Because A is given as father of A, so he has to be male, and C is mother of A. So definitely A is son of C. So B would be the answer. You don't need to check the other options because these type I mean these exams are time based, right? If you get an answer, you have to move on to the next question. So let's see the next question. Okay, some relations are given. By using the relations, we need to solve the next few questions. That is third, fourth, and fifth questions. Right? Okay, let's start with the first question. So here, S means A is daughter of B. 2 means A is son of B. and minus means A is the wife of B. Okay, so if some relation is given between PQS, then which of the following is true? So we need to find out the relation between P and Q and S. So first is P into Q. Into means son of B. So P into Q means P is son of Q. So Q is a parent and P is son. Is plus. We don't know gender of Q. So let it be null. Okay. And Q minus S means Q is minus means wife. So Q is wife of S. So definitely S is going to be male and Q is going to be female because Q is wife. Okay. S is wife of Q. No, because S is male, Q is female. S is father of P. Yes, yeah, it's right. S is father of P. Hmm. So B would be the answer. Let's see the other two options also. P is daughter of Q. No, P is son. And Q is father of P. Q, no, Q is mother. Okay, so B is the answer. Right. B B is the answer. Let's move on to the fourth question. Okay. So we need to follow the same relations given, and we need to find out the relation between T, S, B, and M. So which of the following is not okay? So we have to find out the relations and we have to find out the given relation which is not true in the options. Let's start with T minus S. That is minus means wife. So T is wife of S. T is wife of S minus S, and S into B means S is son of, okay, S is son of B. S is son of B. Okay. And S minus is again wife. So B is minus of M, that means B is wife of M, and that's it. So let's go with the options. B is mother of S. B is mother of S. Yes, it is true. But we have to find it is not true. Okay. So A is true. T is wife of S. Again, T is wife of S. Yes, T is a female and she is a wife of S. Okay, this is also true. So M is the husband of B. That is also true. S is daughter of B. No, this is not true. So this would be the answer because S is son of B, right? S is male. So S is son of B. And okay, S is son of B is given here. So D is the answer for this question. Yes, D is the answer. So it's very simple. We just need to understand the relation clearly. We shouldn't be get confused. Sometimes what we will do is in this type of questions, A is wife of B given, right? So we write A is wife. So A is a female and B is male. Sometimes in the exam hurry, in that exam tension, we might change the relation, right? Like we say A is wife of B and we forget the hurry. We can write like this. We will get confused and we will change the male into female and female into male. So that thing, that is the only thing you need to be clear and uh, should be concentrating. Be careful while doing that male and female things, right? Because most of the questions in these models are based on the gender of the relation, right? So here mother, wife, husband. See, if you don't know the gender of B, we cannot answer this type of question because B can be a son, B can be a daughter. If you get confused with son and daughter, we might lose the point. Okay, so let's see the final question. This is also similar. Uh, so a relation between Z, T, S, U, P is given. What is U to Z? I mean Z. These days kids are using Z as Z. So sometimes I may call it Z as we have learned in our school, but now it has become Z. So there is a difference between G and Z. So let's see. Even I don't know whether I am pronouncing it right or wrong, but we have to be updated, right? Mm, let's see the question. Z into T, yes, okay. Z into T into means son of B. So Z is son of B. So Z is male and sorry, it's T. Okay, and T minus S minus means wife. So T is wife of S. So T is female, S is male. S into U, again U. Okay, now S is son of U. U plus B means U is daughter of P. U is daughter of P there, so U is female, obviously. So what is U to Z? Here U to Z means Z's or Z's father's mother. So what is U to Z? So U is grandmother because she is daughter of P given. So she is a female and she is his father's mother. So she is grandmother of Z. So U is grandmother of Z and Z is grandson of U. So that would be the answer. Okay. And that's the end of our session. So we will meet in the next session. In the meantime, we have seen blood relation all the types. So it's better to practice these type of questions. Uh, Go on Google. You have tons and tons of questions related to blood relations. Please do practice at least 100 questions. That if you do 100 questions, you will automatically get used to that type of questions, and the topic will be very clear for you. So after covering all the topics, when you give the mock test, you won't be surprised with these type of questions as you know how to solve them. Okay, so that's the end of our session. We'll meet in the next session with a different topic. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.